Welcome to the Die Hard Adventures YouTube channel. In this video, we are camping, hiking, exploring waterfalls, and spotting wildlife. You don't want to miss it.
Jojo, you want to go start a fire? You ready to build a fire? Yeah.
How do you think your building a fire skills are?
Not very good.
Fire's going. Jojo,
Hey, Jojo.
happy?
Yeah, this can be your chair.
All right, guys, we finally made it here. Got a nice fire going. We're gonna sit here and enjoy this fire for a little bit and then go to bed. And then we'll see y'all
First thing in the morning.
first thing in the morning. What do you want to do?
Open. We'll go outside.
Good morning. We have a toddler that really wants to go outside. No, not that toddler. This toddler. All right, get some breakfast cooked for the kids.
You want me to break it out? It's good.
That's good? Yeah. Is it good? Yeah?
I think it's metal. Wait, how do you have it like that? Bacon? Oh, what type of bacon is that?
It's thick cut bacon.
Thick cut bacon?
And then you just want to put them in. Yeah, there you go. Thank you.
Equal. Well, flour is what we like.
Yep.
How many
All right, here,
scoops?
this one.
I'll be really careful.
Whoa. That's all right. Don't worry. Good.
Plus, it wouldn't be fair if you did more. Jojo, you want to help?
Yeah.
It's totally hard to eat it.
Bacon's done. Got all this grease. I'm gonna save it. In a minute. Hold on.
They both turned over.
Yeah.
I mean, it was like, but I don't want to cause you to have to.
I don't know.
What? You want a nana? Say yes, please.
All right. Got some pancakes.
You okay?
Got some bacon. I got some kids around a fire. This is a nice fire, guys. Woo. Great job, Luke.
How many pieces of bacon?
Let's start with just, 3 or 4. Let's start with 4.
Jojo, you like camping? Yeah. Me too. Fire.
Jojo! With the 2-year-old since she's been up since 4:30.
Nice. And then we will go, I say we go to DeSoto Falls.
That's what it's all about.
Joseph, come back up here. I taught him how to ride that stone.
That's how you make cowboy coffee. All right, going to DeSoto State Falls. We are in the parking lot. Oh look, there's a little beach down there.
Put my fish down there.
Yeah, I didn't bring any of the fishing stuff, but that beach down there would be a perfect place to fish. We'll have to come here in the summertime and swim underneath the falls.
You hear the legends about how Fernando de Soto was... So the Indians thought he was a god, basically.
Uh-huh.
So they buried him in the Mississippi River so they would never find out that he was.
All right. So it looks like this trail doesn't go all the way down, but there is an obvious trail down there. So on our way in, we saw a trail back up that way where you parked, and you probably had to hike like a mile in. So I have to check it out there, but still pretty cool. You like it?
Yeah.
All right. When we get back in the truck, we're gonna go check out the trail that goes down to the bottom of the falls. Right here, we gotta descend down, and we're gonna go all the way down, so we'll stick right, so we go to the basin. We don't wanna do the overlook. We'll go all the way down. The river trail. 0.7 miles all the way down. Yeah, we're going this way.
Oh.
All right, how are we gonna navigate this log?
Go under.
No, I guess that's one way.
Is there a second one?
Over.
Oh, man. I was hoping you wouldn't say that.
All right, hiking didn't work out, so we're gonna just come back here and have some hot dogs. You like hot dogs, JoJo? Yeah. Yeah? You want a hot dog? Yeah? That's good.
Everything.
Hiking the flip-flops is hard.
Can I video?
Long time ago,
It's on.
Fernando de Soto walked these trails.
Hey, Mom, wait
up.
Hey, guys. Oh, my shoe. Look at this view.
Yeah, we'll save that for next time because we can go that other way. All right, this is a tricky situation, guys.
Very tricky. So, like, you go over the inner way, under the bridge.
Made it. Look, this is a windy trail. Just kind of bends back. We go this way and then we turn to the right.
And then
It's pretty cool. It's beautiful up here, isn't it?
yeah.
All this grass that grows.
Oh, Daddy, look at that.
Oh yeah. Mangled up tree.
Let me go check it out.
Oh yeah, that tree.
That long one back there.
Oh yeah, that's on fire over there too, huh? Oh yeah, they did have some sort of fire out here.
1, 2, 3. I see 4 right now.
Yeah. Oh, this is cool. The forest kind of opens up over here, doesn't it?
Oh. One right here.
Oh yeah, more burnt wood.
One right there.
Yeah, I see it.
Right on.
Oh yeah. Oh, they got it on that pine tree right there too.
Oh yeah, there's that one back there.
Yeah, it must have had some sort of burn back here because you can see there's no real undergrowth. Nice and open. Pine tree got it. Had a lot of sap in it.
And this one.
Yeah. Yeah, look at all that moss
I'm
growing.
holding it upside down
Mhm.
because that's the way we're going.
Mhm.
So if we just went here and we're right there, then we go left to Laurel Falls.
Perfect. There's also a sign up here, so let's confirm if you're right.
Dad,
Hell yeah, look at that moss.
what is it? It's like lighter than
That
the
might
other.
actually be a lichen instead of a moss.
What's
but-
lichen?
Well, I don't know, but they liken you. Both ways to Laurel Falls.
Let's see. Laurel Falls. I guess you could technically go to Laurel Falls if you went.
I think we want to go
No,
left. Look how gorgeous this place is, guys.
So pretty. Like that makes it like stand out.
Careful, careful. All right, Laurel Falls is right up ahead, and then we can have marshmallows.
Marshmallows?
Go. Yep.
No, hot chocolate.
Well, I don't have hot chocolate. I have marshmallows
Where?
in my backpack.
Whoa!
You want cider instead of hot chocolate tonight?
When are we supposed to have this?
Any night. We can have hot chocolate one night and cider the other night. So I don't really care when.
We're gonna have apple cider tonight, and then we're gonna have hot chocolate the next night.
Sounds good.
Here, I'll take it down the wet way. All right, we're going down the wet way.
Yep, there it is.
Wet way. Wow!
Which way?
Is it?
Orange blaze.
See. But if you're awesome at maps like me, where exactly are we? Wait a minute.
There's no blazes.
And also, you can hear the falls.
All right, let's go check it out.
All right, let's go. Laurel Falls.
Yay!
It's a waterfall. Kind of. That one.
Now,
Marshmallows.
marshmallows.
That one.
Marshmallows.
And then there's a tiny one up there. Pretty. Clap that up here.
Give me your hand. All right, come on, get that foot up there. There you go. Made it to Laurel Falls. Nice little tiny waterfall.
You know, I like that marshmallow. It's too hard. You know, it's that
You gonna walk across?
Nope.
Oh, careful. All right, that's gonna be very slippery. Let's see how slippery it is.
Basketball jersey.
Not too slippery. All right, very careful.
Okay. Australia, nice things like monkey bottle.
You did it.
I'm okay.
All right, you gonna do it? Good job. All right. All right. Made it across the dangerous waterfall. Yes. All right. I'll see how we can get down here. Yep. Oh yeah? You are amazing. Woo. Ooh, fun little spot, guys. Oh look, there's an easier trail to get down right there. Well, we just got to do it the hard way, I guess.
Do hard things. They left me. I'm coming! What?
Come over here.
Just ahead.
Well, no, but look, there's a shell that mounts up in the back. Got a little arm coming through here. It's just like a turtle.
There's the eyes. I see the eyes and the nose.
Turtle rock.
This water is actually clean to drink.
I don't know about that, but
It's running.
I wouldn't tempt it. Giardia is no joke.
What does that mean?
It means it gives you the runs.
What?
Diarrhea.
Yeah.
No, not when it's unstoppable.
It's painful.
Well, it dehydrates you,
It's also painful.
and then
Painful.
you get too dehydrated, then you die.
Painful.
Yeah, it hurts too.
Painful. Slow and painful. Dad, look.
Oh, did you find a hole?
Dad,
Let's
I
take a
feel
look.
like the first country panda.
Ooh.
Dad, I feel like
Yeah,
that's cool, Cecilia.
look at that, pretty hole.
Do you like
Well, both the girls are barefooted, Alabama, and my oldest just said he had a good time. So, I'm probably doing pretty good today. Hey, this looks pretty cool right off the trail here. We've got this huge rock formation, little creek. Yeah, look at all those giant rocks up there.
go down to Elizabeth Creek?
Oh, it looks like there's a little waterfall right there. We found the hidden falls. Oh yeah, look at that.
That's not hidden falls.
Well, it's not Lost Falls, because I found it.
Oh.
Okay. Oh yeah.
It's cool.
That's cool. It goes down even further. Down there.
It's not real falls anymore. It's wobbly.
Cecilia. Cecilia, your toes feel like ice cubes?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? Nice. Oh, we found the source of the hidden falls.
I found it.
You did find it. Good job.
All right, let's go. Come on.
Come on, Luke. Give it a try. We made it back. Jojo is sleeping. Well, Jojo decided to get up right before dark, too. You having fun, Jojo? Yeah? Yeah? You want to sit down there? You want out of the hammock? No. Yep. We're going to get a fire going. And we're going to get some coals so we can cook our potatoes. Yeah. All right, now we got the fire going. We'll get some baked potatoes going. Potatoes. Big grease. Some foil. Salt. All right, Juliana, I need your help. I'm gonna grease up these potatoes and I need you to salt them.
Okay, which one? How's that? Rolling.
Roll them. Okay, and then wrap them up.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice.
Yay! Juliana, turn around, take a bow. Say, I did it.
Is my knife over there? Thank you.
Did you lose your spinel?
I have not lost it, no.
That means yes.
I have not lost it.
You know, I started thinking about it the other day. I was like, when I texted you and asked you where the car keys were, I was like, why did I leave Matt in charge of the car keys? When do we need to put the potatoes in?
As soon as we get some good coals that we can wrap them up in. So.
How do you do capital? A capital N.
It's like, what we want to do is we want to get it to where the coals, I would like to dig the coals and put them in between these rocks right here. Okay?
All our names and tricks.
Actually,
Thanks, you too.
Kristen was just asking if I'd heard anything about it.
Think about the hatch. Dusty shot.
Potato time. Juliana, you want to bring me those potatoes?
Don't forget potato. Don't forget potato. chimichanga. I won't forget my extra spot. Spicy. Lemon hot.
All right, got the potatoes on.
Chili chungus.
And then we'll let the fire down more and we'll put some flames, some coals on top.
We don't have a tea bag though. How much is it? It says to make this is the direction to make it half now. It's like $7.50.
It's getting dark. I went ahead and flipped the potatoes. I got some mulled apple cider for the kids. I've been heating up. Ooh, that's hot. Now let's see if we can grab it. Be careful with that fire, Jojo. It's hot. Yeah, it's very hot, so be careful, okay? Yeah?
Here, come sit. You want to sit by Mom?
Yeah, got some apple cider for the kids. All right, everybody come get your mulled apple cider.
What?
It's warm, okay? So be a little careful. It's your mulled apple cider. It just looks like apple juice, but I put molding spices in there. Tell me how it is.
Let me see.
Alright, go ask Dad.
That's good.
That's good?
Jojo, come on. It's very good. But can we have just potatoes?
All right, I think I have some potatoes. They may be a little extra crispy, but you know, this and steak.
Right, Mom. No signal.
Ooh, I bet your bone's very warm right now.
Jojo, come on.
All right, let that pan warm up.
Wow.
I think we need more logs on the fire. Here, I'm gonna use this. Here, use that.
Sure.
Okay, it's oh, Jojo. I was getting the pan together to put this, just cook the steak over the fire, and Jojo threw a bunch of rocks into the pan, like little pea gravel rocks. So we're gonna cook it over this instead. Oh, you have your jammies on too, Cecilia.
Watch out.
It's not even 7 o'clock and the kids have their jammies on.
Cozy
So
time.
that I don't have to get changed right when we go to bed.
Well, good morning. We had a very heavy rain last night and this started leaking in the pop-up
I think it was because of the air.
directly on top of leak. So I got something to fix. Hopefully it doesn't rain for the rest of our camping trip. Yeah, you want milk?
Yeah.
All right, there you go. Enjoy your milk. All right, we also had another problem last night. I forgot to put the trash up and some raccoons got into it. So I gotta clean this up. Oh, I left the paper towels out. Dang. All right, I think I got the trash cleaned up. You ready to go? You wanna go throw this trash away?
You want right in the middle?
All right. Ooh, it's holding in there barely. All right, we did it, boys. Get back in the truck. Oh yeah, turn the heat up. It's cold, Jojo.
Dada's truck.
All right, push that button for me.
Joe, push that. Push that. Oh.
You turned my car off. What are you doing? Push it one more time. Oh, did I get left out?
That was the hot cocoa.
Oh. Juliana saw a deer. Oh yeah, I see him. Cool.
Guys, we just saw
It's wet.
some deer.
It's all wet.
They're back there. Yeah, they're gone. Sorry, guys. They're way back in the forest. Nope, I couldn't get it.
Didn't get it?
And I got my shoes all wet.
It was in the middle of the night. I woke up
and the water was just dripping on me.
Yeah. Okay, don't
Wonder
please
why
don't
Mom and Dad aren't like moving around. And then I realized it was only dripping on me and on nobody else.
I'm so sorry. All right, let's see how good Luke is at starting a fire after it's rained all night.
Not very good. It's raining all night. Watch out. That's gonna be in the middle. Ooh, but like, is the fire still going?
Don't know.
No, the fire's not. Alright, hang on. Lighting a fire here.
Hang on, we're trying to light a fire.
Then we get hot cocoa. More matches. If that doesn't work, at least I can say I tried. Just hope this works.
Trying to get it started with a with a lighter
How's it taste?
that was left outside in the rain.
I don't need it yet. No, I'm not lighting it yet. No.
No, the hot chocolate he was about to say.
Alright, let's do this. Okay. Light this sucker. Can only hope and pray. Alright, fast. Oh, shoot, shoot, shoot. Come on, catch, catch, catch. Do the same general build, just when it falls, it's gonna fall on the wood.
Oh. Yes. Yes. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Yep. So run this to death.
I want to throw the plastic in.
Sorry, you were so close.
Try to light it on the plastic. Hope this plastic works.
It caught.
Dad?
Hold on. All right.
Dad.
The wood.
Did you just light the wood? I'm like, there we catching flame. There we go. Now we're putting the gas.
With wood.
My Tootsies are foldy. So we got eggs,
Let's go.
sausage, and hash brown. Good breakfast.
All right, we've had some breakfast, cleaned up the campsite a little bit, and now we're gonna do a little hike. So the camper leaked last night, and so it got Luke completely soaking wet, got his bed wet, and then the sleeping bag wet. So I have it out to dry, and then that means I get to tear down the camper when we get back. But hopefully it doesn't rain again because we have one more night of camping. All right, time to do a little hike. Oh yeah, it's dirty. Look at that. Well, we'll have to get you a washing. And your face is all dirty too.
Yee. Yogurt?
Yes, I want this.
Ooh, a map to the refrigerator. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go on another trail today. What trail are we going on?
So we're right here. We're gonna go down here to the falls, and then we'll walk down this way, or we'll walk up that way. Either way.
Okay. All right.
I feel like I hear something.
Yeah. Oh, Mom thinks she hears something. Maybe we can find out what it is. Bridge. Oh, it's a bridge over the falls. Okay, guys. Here's the falls.
It's the edge of the world!
It's really cool that you can, like, it's a bridge that goes, like, over the waterfall.
Up around that rock.
Oh, yeah, there's a tree right there going around the rock. Wow. Guys, the water is going around this tree. It's the end of the world!
Come on, JJ. Yeah.
I can get under the waterfall.
Cool.
I want to go. All right, we can go under the falls. All right, so this is underneath the falls. You can see. There's that tree, another tree. There's that other tree I was showing you. It was up on the top of the rock. Yeah. It's really cool. There's a tree right there that just broke off. Yeah? I'm gonna go under there. There's a different way around here. We can get where Luke is. It's going behind the ball. Look at that. Wow, this tree is gonna live forever. Yeah. Look at that. The cave I was talking about. It's pretty deep. This is called Indian Falls. That tree's gonna live forever because how much water it's getting.
When it's raining, we're kind of in a drought right now. And so it's raining hard. It's almost water from the river.
Well, we're gonna start doing the rest of the trail. Dad, help! All right, let's go do the rest of the hike. Let's see what happened at the waterfall. There was a waterfall and a tree was on top of there. Really cool. And it would live forever because of the water. The water was coming down.
Water, so don't get your shoes all wet.
And then this was where they would wash their hands. Oh. Good job.
You did it! Yay!
Well, we don't know if Indians wash their hands, right?
Indians wash their hands.
All right, let's go. I want to jump this part. Hold on to your horses. Wow. Oh yeah, we are going back down to the falls. So, that's just some more rock. We traveled a little ways past the falls. Go too far, go too low. That's really cool. You guys want to make these boats? Oh. Look at that. Today, it's flying pretty fast.
You made it, Jojo.
I made it.
This is a good place to go.
Oh. Look at the beautiful water today. So beautiful. I'm just in a current. It's kind of cold if you can leave your hand in there. Y'all didn't see, but Jojo just got his foot in the water. Hilarious.
All right, so this is the Locust Fork of the Black Warrior River. You can see it's a nice thin river. We're in the middle of a drought right now, and so I imagine during rainy season it gets a lot higher, which would be pretty cool to see. And I think we're gonna have to come back in the summertime and swim in this river, don't you think?
No, there's
Yeah?
currents.
There's currents? Okay. All right, show us what you got.
I made a boat,
Nice.
and I hope it sails. All right, here we go. See how she sails. Go. Woo!
Oh yeah. It's a little submerged, we're just going. Luke's got Luke's got a mission to go climb that big rock over there. You're in charge.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Easy. Easy as rock. Gonna climb this rock. I'm gonna pull a dirt trick. Is this cheating? Absolutely. No idea what he's doing. He's cheating. You cheated. Yeah, you did. You went around the rock. That is called cheating. New generation of boats.
Oh, all right. Let's test it out.
Nope, the old generation's better.
Oh well, you weren't a shipbuilder.
New generation of speedboat. Probably not going to work. Let's try it out. So,
Oh, it's a roly-poly. There it goes.
hey, it works.
Kinda.
Oh, it works.
Still float. You want water?
Yes, please.
Did water just come out of your nose? It did, didn't it? Water came out of your nose. Gross. Gross.
Just like someone else I am.
Daddy, you want to go on the rock with me?
The Rockway.
Yeah.
Is that the way y'all came? Okay, hold on. Yeah, I do. All right, come on. Geronimo! No.
Stilton!
It's so cool. This reminds me of the Smokies. This is just like the Smoky Mountains. Yeah. Ooh, mushrooms. Oh man,
Which way?
it's like a jungle in here.
Which way?
We can go that way.
Okay,
Let's play a game called Who Gets Wet First.
Daddy.
Ahoy up there! You found it? Oh, look at that cave right there. You have a nice camp out right there. How cool. Oh, look, a little bird's nest right here.
Oh my god. Are there any eggs in it?
No. Oh yeah, I can stay straight up in here. Look.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, I'm taller than both of you, so.
Looks like people have camped out here.
Yeah.
Little campfire.
You're afraid the bears don't kill you.
Yeah. Probably wise. Yeah. Up, up, up. Hi. Oh yeah, look at that hand. Yeah, look at the waterfall. That's so cool, huh? All right, you hungry, JoJo? You hungry?
Yeah.
You want to get a peanut butter and jelly? Uh-oh. Dust it off. Dust it off. Good job.
Come on, Jacob. Let's go get some chips. Can we go get some chips? Yeah.
All right, we had some lunch and we got the baby down. And so me and Juliana and Luke are gonna do a little hiking trail.
You might remember this from yesterday, the round, because it's the same path,
but there were two different signs. Yesterday we went to Laurel Falls. Today we're going to Lost Falls.
Yeah, see, I get film of that.
Those were there yesterday.
Yeah, there's deer footprints.
Okay, I think we're coming up onto a road of some sort.
All right, so here we are.
Laurel Falls Trail.
There's one here.
So there's an orange blaze. Oh, look, someone made a little, oh look, here it is. Orange Trail.
Blue.
Lost Falls. Well, cool. It's this way then. All right, Orange Trail.
So we are following the orange blazes. So if you see any, yo!
Water break.
So if we go along here, which we're gonna do you think that maybe we can't cut through that woods? Because do you think it's too far off? Or?
We'll see what the signs say.
Okay.
But I bet there's a trail that goes right through there. We'll take a look. When we come down there, I'm sure there'll be a sign. There's been a lot of signs lately.
I feel like I'm island hopping.
Yeah, it's kind of like island hopping. And there's a Juliana footprint right there.
Hey.
Oh yeah. Be quiet. Let's try and find her. Oh, there she is.
Daddy.
Oh, it's kind of swampy back here, guys.
Yeah.
From all that rain last night. All right, Orange Trail to the left.
Left?
See that sign right there?
Mm-hmm.
Orange Trail to the left. Blue Trail to the right.
Oh, left.
Boom. So, or we could go here, and it looks like that's the most direct, but I'm sure you could go through the woods to there.
Which way would you rather go?
Shorter way.
Okay, which is? Orange
This way.
Trail?
Well, if we go this way, then we'd have to double back to do our loop.
Oh, okay. All right.
So let's do
Let's go this way. Sounds good. Look at this tree.
Oh, look, there's the ice.
Been dug out. Yeah.
Ooh. Was it a
cool. And then
honey
look.
tree?
There's another one right here. No, I think little animals have just dug in here and they made these things their home. That's pretty cool.
Ooh, the pecans.
And then this tree is just completely hollow. Look at that. That's probably the same tree. Oh yeah, look, there's a little worm. Cool, dude. Oh look, more holes. Look at this. More holes. I wonder if this is where some branches were or something.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe.
Look, this whole thing is hollow. Oh, there it is. Lost Falls. Up this way. Oh, this is great, Luke.
Dad, we've officially been to all the falls.
Ooh, I'm gonna set my backpack down. All right, top or bottom first? Top.
Bottom. Top.
Okay, you do bottom. I'll check out top. Ooh, look at
Oh my gosh, this is scary, Daddy. Why is it called Lost Falls?
Well, someone couldn't find it.
I don't think we can go under.
A little cascade coming through here.
Ooh, maybe we should travel up beside each other.
There's Luke.
Ooh, Daddy, look.
All right, one at a time.
Ooh, our Daddy.
I'm gonna be first one to touch the falls wins $1 million.
Careful.
Got it.
Careful.
Got it.
Careful,
Not
careful.
your first. Yeah.
I touched it the longest.
Hey, I got first.
How's it down there, Luke?
Nice.
Pretty cool. All right, let's go underneath the falls.
I don't think you really can go under the falls.
Want to bet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it. Oh, yeah, that's cool.
Done with the waterfall. Heading back to the Orange Trail, finish up our loop. Get back to the campsite.
And cook some dinner.
Yeah, some chili. Dinner. Chili. Chili tonight? Because it's going to be chili. All right, let's go. The woods look so much different down here because there's no grass. You just see the leaves everywhere.
No! I'm gonna jump.
Nice little river crossing. Oh,
You fall in the water, I'm gonna laugh so hard.
nice jump.
Jump.
Nice jump. Nice jump.
Ba-boom.
Baboon. Here we go. Here's the
Oh, yeah.
campground trail. Right here.
It's called Fling.
So
I know
yesterday-
exactly where we are.
So yesterday,
we went that way.
we went that way to Laurel Falls. And this way, we're going up here. Nice. Look, now we're back on top of the plane. We got all the grass out here.
Yay!
Oh, gotta play the limbo game.
Limbo, how low can you go? Oh, that's not limbo.
Nice job.
Can you touch the flow?
Nice job. Here we are at the middle of the campground. Oh, look, it's the most beautiful waterfall. All right, we're at the lower campground, but we're going to keep hiking
No, let's go to
to the upper hike. We made it back to the campsite, but our campsite is way up there, so we're going to hike a little bit more on the trail. All right, guys, y'all want to do it again?
Sure.
Here's the Lost Falls Trail right there. The circle is now complete. No, Juliana? No? No? No, guys? You don't want to go? No, guys?
What about you? Are you going?
No, I'm not going. All right, I'm gonna go trick Mom.
All right, Julian, we're staying back. Stay.
Shannon! I've lost the kids! I've lost the kids! Have they come by? No. Oh, it was horrible. It was horrible. This big monster came out of nowhere and gobbled them up. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Boo-hoo. Boo-hoo. Boo-hoo.
What are we gonna do?
We lost Luke and Juliana.
I think they're kidding. I see them.
What?
They're coming.
You see him?
Yeah. I see the blue and the pink.
Oh!
Yay!
You're not lost.
Dad's gonna take a rest, and then we're going to get dinner going. Forgot the can opener. Got to do it the old-fashioned way. There we go. Canned corn.
Do you know how to drain them?
How many one?
Put another one in there.
Tell me when to stop.
That's plenty. Yes. Get these browning, and then once these are browned, then we'll put the meat in, and then we'll put the beans in, and we'll put the corn in. Oh, did you drain the corn? Yes.
Yeah, Daddy did.
And we'll put tomatoes in, and then we'll put this in, this is going to be our seasoning tonight.
Chili. Texas chili.
Is there something I can grab a hot pan with? A diaper. No. Well.
Okay. Good job.
It's gonna be our, here, stir these around for me.
Is that how much meat we're gonna use?
Nope, I'm putting another one in too.
I do just like Grandma makes. No, they were making beans and I can't.
What?
Ah! Escaping!
Escapee.
Why won't you let me cook?
You told me to help you, so I'm helping you.
I said escapees.
Dad's getting the fire going down. It's gonna be nice and warm, and then
Hopefully this food is not gonna be chilly. Right?
hot dog, leapfrog, and holy.
Are you just
cow.
staying here to be warm?
I'm helping you out.
More like you're staying here to get warm. Daddy, she's standing here to get warm.
Oh, yeah, that's all right.
She's not doing a single thing, just drinking a water. Ooh, that looks good. I don't see any red, do you?
All right, let's put the beans in.
Do? You trying to? Gosh. This is a workout for sure.
Think that's enough corn? You don't want it to be too corny. Yuck, 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 yuck. These are the spices.
You're into knives, Mama. Wow.
Put this in too. All right. Dad, can you put a timer on for us?
What? Mommy, it's my chili.
Hold on, I just want to get it incorporated, that's all.
I am good at this.
Okay, fine. But keep it all in the bowl.
Excuse me.
You're dumping stuff out of the side. Don't excuse me. All right, Dad's got a timer on, so we can let it just sit for now.
Anything else to the chili?
No, that's it.
All right.
That's the most beautiful part about chili.
All right, we got chili cooking, and we got some kids enjoying themselves by the campfire. Is it warm over here? Y'all eating crackers?
No, stop.
Saltines. Yeah, you got saltines in your mouth? Good job. Sure. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Here, Jojo. You want to eat?
Yeah.
All right. You want
Go
to
with Dada. Go with Dada. Here, I'll bring you a bowl.
Got your food here.
Watch out for the bump.
Yeah, num-nums. Yeah. Okay.
It's the most in the entire body.
3, right? Good job, Jojo.
Somebody's
Here's-
got to feed him.
The bone that you cleaned?
He rejected the chili.
No. You don't clean your nails? That's disgusting.
I think it's delicious. Good morning. We made it through the night. No rain, no leaking. And it is super cold this morning, but we have a beautiful sunrise over there.
Soft.
Enjoy that sunrise, Juliana. Look at that thing.
Wow.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
We woke up early enough.
All right, Jojo, you want water?
Dada.
Yeah,
Dada.
you're welcome. All right, Luke, if you would like to have Captain Crunch.
That's crunch. You mean Cinnamon Toast Crunch?
Sorry, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, yeah. Our poor boys are so deprived that they've never had Cinnamon Toast Crunch before.
I know, right? Woo! Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Dad, best junkie cereal of all time. Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
You think so?
Yes.
I'm a fish.
Oh my gosh, right there.
What?
There.
You see one? Oh, wow. Get the camera.
Where is the
Right here.
Right here. Oh, man, this camera close. Where are you going?
Guys, you can't see it very well. It's walking backward. He told me to look for deer, and I found a deer.
I didn't know you'd be that quick.
So I walked out of the camper, and Dad said, "See if you can find a deer." And I'm like, "Deer!"
Right there. Nice job. right, gang, we made it, huh?
I got
Yeah. Well, guys, that's it for us. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe so we can find more videos like this on Die Hard Adventures. See you next time.